Today, I'm going to teach you a trending motion graphic effect or After Effects that you often see on Reels, YouTube Shorts, or other platforms, like this one.
One simple mindset shift, and if you don't change this, you might stay stuck forever.
And there are people who want to learn video editing. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to create trending videos using two applications for free. Canva for animated elements and CapCut to make your videos more engaging, where we'll use keyframes, voiceovers, and various transitions. So don't skip this tutorial and make sure you watch it until the end so you won't miss any important information. Let's get started. Step 1. We will select the elements here on Canva for free. First, open your Canva. Click on this video option. Then choose the 1080 by 1920 pixels setting. Go to Elements, and here we will search for things to add to our video. For example, I'll search for a time or clock based on my script. Click on these 3 lines and check the animated box. Go to Graphics, and here you will find a lot of free elements to choose from. Once you've picked an element, some can be customized in color. After that, click on the white background and change the color to green. At the bottom, adjust the duration to 5 seconds. Then, right-click and choose Duplicate Page and delete this elements in Page 2. It's up to you what elements you add to your video. After you've finished selecting, go to Share, click Download, choose the file type, and then click Download. Step 2. Now, let's use CapCut for editing. Next, open your CapCut, import your background by clicking the plus sign to add it to your editing panel. Click on the ratio and choose the 9:16 ratio. Rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise and resize it. Go to Adjustment, and here you can adjust the temperature, tint, saturation, and my personal favorite, the vignette. What I did was try out each setting until I was satisfied with the result. Step 3. Now let's add a voiceover for free using CapCut. Go to Text, then paste your first sentence from your script like this. Click on Text to Speech, and here you can choose from many free voiceovers. Once you've selected one, delete the text. Go to Media, click Import, and select the elements you downloaded from Canva. Drag them like this, then move it to the end of your first element and select Split. Now, we need to remove the green background. Go to Remove Background, select Chroma Key, then click the color picker and select the green background. After that, click on it. I just adjusted the intensity here. For the voiceover, you can adjust the volume by turning the knob. You can make it lower or louder by clicking the 2 arrows, depending on the volume you prefer. Next, click on the element, go to Animation, and here you'll find various effects or animations. You can choose from in, out, and combo options. Once you've picked one, you can also adjust the duration here. At the top of your editing panel, you will see 3 options for split and delete to make your editing easier. These are split, delete the right side, and delete the left side. In my case, I just want to delete this left side. You can also adjust the clip here. When editing the video, the timing should be based on the sound or voiceover you'll add. The animation or transition you choose should also match the theme you're going for. Here, I split this clip to show the blend effect. Go to Basic, click Blend, then add a keyframe. Move it to the end of the clip and adjust the opacity to 0. The keyframe will be automatically added.
It's not just about working hard, it's about...
When moving your elements, make sure the words or voiceover are aligned so the video makes sense and looks good. You can also add animation to your background here.
It's not just about working hard.
Step 4, now let's add our text. go to Text, add the default text, then type what the voiceover says, or you can just type the important words. After that, go to Font, and I chose a bold font so the text is more visible. Here, you just need to timing the text to appear where the voiceover ends.
Have you ever
Then adjust or split it accordingly. You can also change the style of your text. There's stroke, background, glow, shadow, and many more options. For this example, I picked glow and make sure to choose the free option. Then, just adjust the intensity and range of your text. We'll also add an animation to the text. And once you've selected one, adjust the duration based on the timing you want. For the copy and paste shortcut keys, click on the text, then press Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. Just repeat this process until you've added text throughout the entire video. Next, I'll show you how to change the color of the text. Uncheck the glow effect, scroll up, go to color, and choose your preferred color here. To make the text stand out and be more readable, add a shadow effect. Here, you can adjust the opacity, blurriness, and distance of the shadow. Now, I'll show you how to add keyframes to the text. Scroll down to transform, click the diamond icon, which means you've added a keyframe. Remember, before adding the first or second keyframe, make sure the text is positioned where you want it to start or appear. Then for the next keyframe, I'll move the text down like this, and it will automatically add a keyframe. Note, the further apart your keyframes are, the longer the duration will be. Having more keyframes makes the transition or movement smoother. Next, I want to add animation in my text. One of my favorite text animations is adding a loop like this one. Step 5 now, let's add background music or sound effects. Open YouTube Studio and go to the audio library. Here, you'll find free music and sound effects. Click on these 3 lines to choose the mood or genre you want. Since my video is about motivation, I chose a similar mood. Before downloading, make sure to check the YouTube Audio Library license to confirm if no attribution is required. Next, we'll import the music we downloaded. Here, I split the flow of the beat of my background music like this. At the end, adjust the fade out for a smoother finish. Then, adjust the volume of both the background music and the voiceover. Again, all you need are the text, elements or images, the background, voiceover, and background music or sound effects, then export it. Here's the result.
Have you ever wondered why some people succeed faster while others struggle for years? It's not just about working hard. It's about one simple mindset shift. And if you don't change this, you might stay stuck forever. Successful people don't wait for the right time. They start, they fail, they learn again and again. Stop overthinking. Take that first step today. Your future self is waiting.
If you also want to learn how to create an animated logo using Canva for free, click this video. See you in my next video.